Know how to use Meesho branded packets in 60 seconds. Let's start with 3 simple steps. Step 1. Print the invoice, label or AWP. Step 2. Pack the product. Step 3. Stick the label or AWP on the packet. Pro tip: stick the label on the closing packet sleeve to avoid tampering. Once done, we'll start with the scanning process. Head on to the supplier panel and go to the Orders tab. On the right side corner, click on Scan Branded Packets. To scan, you can either use a scanning gun or your mobile phone. Here's a tip: scanning gun is the fastest way to scan, and only a 2D scanning gun would work. Wondering which model to purchase? You can either buy a wireless gun or a wired one. Here are a few options you can choose from. Let's start the process. Start by sticking the label or AWB on the packed product. Then take your scanning gun and scan the AWB barcode. It gets auto-populated on the supplier panel. Similarly, scan the packet ID and click on Submit. In case you're using your mobile phone, click on Scan with Mobile. Scan the QR code to begin. Click on Scan Now and followed by scanning the AWB barcode and the packet ID. And it's done. Repeat the process and happy selling on Meesho.